you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you different ways to wear the color lavender. Now, lavender is gorgeous. It's such a beautiful color. It looks great on a bunch of different skin tones, and it's also really hot this season. It was all over the runways. It is just filling our stores, and it's not just for little kids. So I'm gonna teach you some grown-up ways to wear this color. And whether you consider yourself an expert stylist or a beginner, I'm gonna walk you through different levels on how to inject this beautiful pastel into your wardrobe. So let's get into it. Let's first start at this beginner level. If you are just a neutral gal through and through, you like your ivories and your beiges, maybe an olive green if you're getting a little bit crazy, then I can see how lavender may be a little bit intimidating. So if that's the case, if that is you, then I always recommend bringing in any sort of trend or color through the accessories. It is a low cost, low commitment option, and it's just a great way to try out a trend or a color. One thing that I love about lavender is that it is a really flexible color. It's light enough that it'll almost act as a neutral. So by pairing it with your existing outfit through a handbag or shoes or a hair accessory, it's gonna add a punch without being like a little bit too crazy if you're not comfortable with that. This lavender bag is actually off Amazon. It's $27.50 and it really adds a punch to my outfit. It's current, it's a beautiful silhouette, beautiful color, and it's under $30. I also love these shoes, also off of Amazon. They are like $58, very comfortable. I love this brand. Once again, just a really good option to spice up a rather neutral outfit. Let's move on up to this intermediate level. If you've got the accessories down and want to start bringing color and lavender into your outfit, but don't really know how, then I recommend subbing in lavender for anything that was white. Anything that you were gonna wear white in your outfit, lavender can sub in for that. So maybe you were gonna wear a white blouse and navy trousers, or even a full khaki suit set with a white blouse, sub in a lavender one. It's gonna work just as seamlessly, but really add a nice punch. Or maybe you were gonna wear a casual outfit with white sneakers. What about lavender sneakers? You're gonna find that this color is really gonna act as a pseudo-neutral and be able to pair with a lot of other things in your wardrobe. Here I'm wearing white kicks, green trousers, and a white tee. Super basic, but instead I'm gonna sub in a lavender blouse, keeping everything else the same. It's gonna add a really nice pop and be a little bit more current, but it's gonna work just as seamless as that simple white shirt did. Oh, you've nailed the other two, huh? All right, we're gonna move on up to this advanced level by dressing in monochrome. Now, a monochromatic outfit is wearing lighter tints or darker shades of the same hue. So in this case, it would be different shades of this lavender, whether it's darker or lighter. And I love a monochromatic outfit. It really helps to elevate the look. It looks really sophisticated and really nice, and it's really easy to put together. Here I'm wearing these $20 Target lavender pants with a floral printed lavender blouse from H&M. There's a couple different shades of lavender in this look, and so it works really seamlessly. One tip when wearing a monochrome outfit is to not also match your accessories in the exact same color. So if you are head to toe in lavender in your clothes, don't bring in the lavender bag and the lavender shoes. It's just too much. Keep your accessories to a neutral color or even a complementary color, but just don't make it the exact same color. If you are feeling very comfortable with this color lavender and want more, then pull out your color wheel, because the next tip is to mix unexpected complementary colors together. So as we're looking at this color wheel, anything that is directly across from lavender is going to be a complementary color. So its direct complement is a yellow. Lavender and yellow look excellent together. Orange and lime green will also look very appealing because they're triadic colors, which means that on the color wheel, they make a triangle. And so those are also very complementary to one another. Another way to pair lavender, or really any color, is to look at the analogous colors. So those are any colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. So in lavender's case, neighboring colors like mint or blue are also gonna complement it really well. Here I'm wearing these $20 Target trousers, which, side note, I am obsessed with. They just fit and flatter so beautifully. And then I have a $5 Target tee on top in this more minty color. It's an unexpected color combination, but they go so beautifully together. And it adds a little bit more pop and creativity than just throwing on a neutral or a white blouse. So if you want to try these color combos and this excites you, then honestly, all you need to do is look at a color wheel. Once again, you've got the complementary colors that are across each other. Great, easy color combo. You've got the triadic that make a triangle, and then the analogous. Any of those color combos are gonna work seamlessly together. It's science, I swear, right? Are color wheels science? I think so. All right, you guys, I hope that these tips were helpful and got you excited to wear lavender. It is such a happy and warm color for the season and really easy to wear, right? Like, that wasn't hard. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, please give it a like and stick around for my next one.